Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps immediately. Sign into the same Xbox/Microsoft account on both the console and the PC so the library can sync. Next, open the Xbox app on your PC and make sure it is updated. This establishes the connection layer. Once done, enable game sharing and network access on your Xbox console. That allows Dead by Daylight to appear as a shared title. These steps set the foundation for streaming or cloud access. Now you'll connect and configure the playable link. In the Xbox app, go to Console Connections and enable Remote Play. This opens the tunnel for input and video. Pair your Xbox controller to the PC via Bluetooth or by plugging it in, because controllers provide the best responsiveness for Dead by Daylight. Adjust streaming quality so you balance latency and visual fidelity. Lower resolution reduces lag. Make sure privacy settings allow remote connections. Otherwise, the app won't stream your console games to the PC. Finish by launching Dead by Daylight and verifying everything works. Start the game from the Xbox app or trigger Remote Play to the console. You should see the console screen and be able to control it from your PC. Test input latency, audio sync, and matchmaking to confirm normal play. If something fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart the Xbox app and console, then confirm NAT and network quality. Make sure GPU and controller drivers are updated. That often resolves stuttering and disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.